Hello guys, and this video we are going to learn or to know how to check if a certain number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10. Okay, first of all, the word divisible means if you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number without a remainder. What does that mean? I mean, for example, if you have 12 divided by 6, the number or the answer is 2 and there is no remainder. That means 12 is divisible by 6. Okay? If you have another example, which is 15 divided by 5, it's equal to 3 and there is no remainder. So in another word, I can say that 15 is divisible by 5. Okay? So first, we are going to learn how do I check the divisibility by 2. You have to know, or the rule says, that a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even, or in another word, the ones digit is even. And you know that the even digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So you look at the number, you check the ones digit. If it's an even number, so it's a number which is divisible by 2. Another example is 3470. I don't care about the other numbers. I only care about the ones digit. If it is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Now, how do I check the divisibility by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Or in another word, for example, 75, I need to add the 7 and the 5, it's 12. And we all know that 12 is divisible by 3. So 75 in this case is going to be divisible by 3. So you have to add all the digits. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, so the whole number will be divisible by 3. Now, how do I check the divisibility by 4? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, or in another word, the ones and the tens together. So I look at the number, the ones and the tens are 20, and 20 is divisible by 4, then the whole number is going to be divisible by 4. The same thing is 672. 72 is also divisible by 4, so the whole number is going to be divisible by 4. And how do I check the divisibility by 5? It's very easy. If the last digit is 0 or 5, so if it ends or the ones digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. The divisibility by 9 is the same as the divisibility by 3. You have to add all the digits in the number and check if it's divisible by 9. So in this case, I got 18, so the whole number is going to be divisible by 9. The same thing in this number. Okay, so the divisibility by 9 is the same as the divisibility by 3. And the easiest one is, how do I check if a number is divisible by 10? You only look at the ones digit. If it's 0, then it's divisible by 10. Or in another word, if it's divisible by 2 and 5 at the same time, then it's divisible by 10.